Hello, everybody. I want to go over the week 1 assignments in English 101 to give you a better idea of what you are to do. So you will see every week on Monday, I will post a weekly announcement. This goes along with the course schedule that you can access. You can see that you can access that. Change this to a student view. But it does give you sort of a checklist, do this, then do this, and so forth. Makes it really easy for you to know what you want to do that week. And then it's up to you as an online student to decide how you want to schedule all that work. So you can use the time that works best for you, but you want to complete all those activities and assignments by the following Sunday. So that's the regular routine. Announcements show up Monday morning, and then you will complete the work by the following Sunday. Of course, you can turn things in earlier than that Sunday as well, but in many cases with graded assignments, if you turn them in later than that Sunday, you will lose points for being late. All right, so the first thing you want to do, if you haven't done it already, is to go into the Getting Started materials and read through those. So there are links in the announcement that makes it really easy for you, but you're going to want to go through all of this information. Now there's a lot here. Some of it may be more helpful than others, but please at least go in and see what's there. In particular, the instructor information, the course policies, the syllabus, and the required assignments. That's all really important information that you should go through and read. The course schedule is here, and then lots of resources for you that just to see what's there, and then you can always go back at a later time. So go through those Getting Started materials. The next thing that I have on the list is to complete the class introductions. Many of you have already done this even before our class has officially started. So if you haven't, go ahead and do that before Sunday. And then we have for each week, most weeks at least, we will have some reading materials. This week, there's quite a bit in here. You can see links to each of these items. These are all in the Unit 1 learning materials. Don't skip it. Please go in and do the reading. None of these are lengthy. They're very short, and they do give you really important background information to understand what we're doing in the unit. So whenever I give you reading assignments, please do those. All right, the next bullet is mentioning another reading material, but I separated this one because this one is specific to the graded assignment you're doing this week. So read carefully the annotating text information. All right, the next item is to read our first article. For each unit, you'll be assigned an article. Some cases you may look up additional articles, but for Unit 1, we're doing the blue sweater, and you have a link here to that article. So you're going to want to read that. And then the graded assignment this week is the annotation. So you are going to take this article, the blue sweater, and you are going to annotate it. You're going to highlight and mark things in the margin as you learn how to do in those reading materials. Now, I do want to make one point. When you do the annotating assignment, let's go ahead and click on that. The link here to the article is there again. There's also sample annotations you can look at. There's a video that explains how to do this. So the annotating assignment has a lot of good information in it as well. It talks about how you're going to show me your annotations because I need those submitted online. So you may be able to write on the document electronically, or you may have to use some kind of app, or some of you have iPads and different programs that do that. or at the very least, you can do it in print and then take a picture of it with your phone and upload that. So however it works for you. You do want to look at the rubric, and I do want to stress that you need to do both highlighting or underlining and making marginal notes. I need to see both of those for you to get full points. Okay? And of course, that is due by Sunday. And that's it for the week. So jump in there, try to get into a regular routine where you can schedule time to work on this material and plan so that you can get it all done before the following Sunday each week. Okay. If you have any questions, please contact me, and have a good week.